guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I am going to be doing a little shop with me, little haul video. I went over to Dollarama and Dollar Tree and I found some cute things. I was on the hunt for some goodie bag stuff, but I might have got a little sidetracked, so I'm going to cut into that and I hope you enjoy. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on all my social media. All those links are in the description box below. Alright, enjoy.
So I was really quiet when I filmed this part just because I was near the cashier, so I'm just going to do a little bit of voiceover. I'm not exactly sure what section this is for. It was all by itself on an end cap, but they have this rope that's really great. It's really expensive if you try to buy it online, so I got 2 packages of that. They had this rickrack ribbon, which was really cute. They had the lace. They had the antique and white, which was nice. And I think it's almost like an Easter section. Then they had little birds and butterflies and decorative papers. So that was a really cute section. And then they had these resin flat back flowers, which can be great for anything, like decorating, journals, jewelry, all kinds of things. So super cute. I had to get some of those. Then I went over to the gift section and saw these really cute candles. I didn't smell any of them, but I usually don't buy candles. I'm not big on them. And they had these mugs, a lot of cute little mugs with little sayings on them. I love how they're really getting a little bit trendy with like the feathers and stuff on them. And then some of the gift wrapping. I like to come over to the Valentine section to get things for the goodie bags for my daughter's birthday. She's born in January, so it's a perfect time to grab those items that have multiples, you know, of 10 or 12 or even 20 different little, you know, things. So I headed over to this section and that was really cheap. I was like, nope, put it back. And I'm going to go over here to, this is where I'm talking about all of the packages of a bunch of stuff. So those are really great to buy. And if you get things that aren't too Valentine's Day-ish, then, you know, the kids won't notice, so who cares? And then I went over here. There's some erasers and stamps. Just all the typical stuff that you usually find around this time of year. But then over here they had these really cute wall decals. Those were cute. And some styrofoam hearts. And of course they had a lot of boxes, so there's definitely more to come.
Okay, so we're in the beauty aisle. And these are the sponges I like to buy for blending my my inks, like distress inks. So I usually get those, and one little wedge for one little, so that's really fun. Hot. Now I'm over at Dollarama. Doing anything fun here? I'm looking for a goodie bag idea, so I always like to go into whatever is going on, and usually it's Valentine's Day because my daughter's birthday is in January, and I like to take advantage of these little things for the goodie bags. Because do kids really care? I don't know. I don't care. And then you try to find ones that aren't super Valentine's-y. I always wanted to make one of those mesh wreaths. I was looking for at the Dollar Tree because I heard that they had those heart wreath forms, but they didn't have any. I guess I could have made it out of the foam ones, but let's check this out. Ooh, red sparkly washi tape. I mean, do you really need that for Valentine's Day? That'd be really cute for a layout. Planner layout. Oh, look at that. What is that? A Martha Stewart? Are you serious? Okay. Sorry. This is the only one they have.
cute. And that's like the inside of the old envelopes. Double-sided. That's so cute. I just want to buy this just because. Look at this. What's that? Martha Stewart at Dollarama. What? Adhesive border pad. So cool. Isn't that awesome? I never thought I would see Martha Stewart at Dollarama. Oh, that's glitter duct tape. So yeah, that is ribbons, the little ball frames. That's cute. What do I use this for? I don't know. I love those tumblers. And then these guys are really good for like baby bags too. Why not? 10 piece. And these molds. If they were shiny, they'd be perfect for resin. Look at this. They got die cuts with a view. This glitter paper. That is so neat. They're bringing in some good brands. I'm assuming this is probably $4. For sure. They got big mesh, orange and black. Okay, another die cuts with a view. DIY project tags. So cute. Now they're all the same. Thank you. We got these adhesive buttons, these pre-cut tags, washi adhesive sheets. That's interesting. Maybe I'll try one of those, see what happens. Wooden tags. Oh, look at that. Pearl sheets. What would I do with that? So cool. And oh, these butterfly stickers would be so cute in those junk journals. Oh, I'm gonna take one. Oh, these tassels. Okay, you see them on all the zipper pouches? Yep, so cute. Chalkboard ribbon. Interesting. See, this is, I got the thicker one over at Dollar Tree and I should have bought more. Starter kit for your sewing. I got a full pack of 18 gel pens, which is pretty awesome. Because they have a lot of Easter stuff out. Oh my. Like, seriously? That's the only one. Oh. We call my daughter Honeybee. That is so cute. Such an unnecessary purchase. Ah. Okay. Put on your chain, please. Let's see what they got.
All the typical decorate stuff. Nothing fancy. They're kind of cute. Oh, they're glass. They're cute until they're broken. Sidewalk art. Sidewalk. Light up balls. You stick ears on them. Ooh, for a romantic evening with hubby. So, I always like to look into the stationery section because that is usually the place that you're gonna find real name brands also. Once in a while they have things kind of hidden in here. Please don't be lined. I'm looking for one that is not lined. Paper. See, these things are great for the goodie bags. It's 30 though, I need 12. But that's actually perfect for her class of 30 for Valentine's Day. Done. $3. See, like, how cute are those? Oh, look at that. The correction. I just bought one for $3. It's annoying. I found another die cuts with a view, and this is a paper pad. Includes paper and instructions for over 40 envelopes. Oh, look at that. That's neat. Like, really. And then I found this book, and it's $4, but it is like sewn bound, and it's blank paper. So that is really nice. I'm just going to show you quick some of the things that I got. So I did get some of this rope. I'm going to make some beach bags out of that. So I'm going to have a tutorial one day for that. And then I did get some of these flat back resin. They're flat, but they are, you know, pretty high. So I'll see what I can do with this. I've seen even people just like hot gluing them onto the back of posts and for earrings, which are totally cute also. Super easy. I mean, really, if you just made all these into earrings, you would have 8 pairs of earrings, right? 1, 2, yeah. And per one package. Then I got those cosmetic sponges for my, whatever you want to call it, my distressings. And then this die cuts with a view DIY project stack. So, like, how cute is that? Especially for junk journaling and stuff. The crap paper, like all this. And then I got this, which I wanted to check this out. Washi adhesive tape. So I'm assuming that instead of washi tape, it's just a sheet, which sounds pretty neat. So I'm doing this with one hand. Oh yeah, that's cool. A whole sheet, sorry. So you can make like different shapes out of it too. Pretty neat. Definitely not something I've seen before. And then I did get this notebook, which is, the thing I really like about this notebook is how flat it lays. I hate when books are restricted by their bind. So it opens like right up flat. So I really like that. So I hope you enjoyed this little shop with me. If you like more, then hit that subscribe button and also comment below saying you like it. And my table is a mess because we are having a Moana birthday. Got these at Party City. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.